Dear students, welcome to digital classes. Our last topic is limiting reagent or agent. Limiting reagent or agent means the reactant which is available in less amount is called limiting agent. So, which means the product in the reaction depends on reactant. Example, rice plus curry. So energy. If you heat rice along with curry, you will get energy. Suppose if you have less amount of curry, what will happen? If you have less amount of curry, compulsory you will eat less amount of rice. If you eat less amount of rice, you will get less amount of energy. So your curry is reducing your food. Your eating food is reduced by curry. So your heating depends on curry. If curry more means you will eat more rice, then you will get more energy. So here curry is limiting agent. So just like that, here one example there, calcium carbonate reacts with HCl. It will form calcium chloride along with water and it liberates CO2 gas. So here calcium carbonate solid, HCl aqueous solution, calcium chloride will be formed. It is also aqueous solution, and CO2 obviously gas and water. So here HCl is limiting agent, just like curry. Limiting agent. CO2 or CaCl2 both are depends on HCl. The amount of CO2 will be released depends on HCl. So here HCl is limiting agent. So if HCl is more, CO2 will be more. If HCl less, CO2 will be less. HCl more means CaCl2 more. HCl less means CaCl2 less. So mainly in this reaction CO2 is reduced if HCl is taken is very less amount. So here HCl is limiting agent. Students, in this chapter our last problem is example 3. So last in this chapter, last problem. So calculate the volume and number of molecules of CO2 liberated at STP if 50 grams of CaCO3 is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl. Hydrochloric acid means HCl, which contains 7.3 grams of dissolved HCl gas, hydrochloric gas. In this gas also there is HCl gas, whatever it is HCl. So the chemical equation, here we go. Here CaCO3 reacts with HCl, it will form CaCl2 and water liberates CO2 gas. So as per the stoichiometric equation, 100 grams of CaCO3, stoichiometric means you will learn more in plus 2 stoichiometry there. In that stoichiometry total, it includes total these problems only. So in that chapter so many equations and along with the complete information there. So according to that equations, experimentally proved equations in that. So from that, according to that equations, 100 grams of CaCO3, actually in this question properly not given. For that purpose we are taking according to stoichiometric equations. So according to stoichiometric equations, 100 grams of CaCO3 reacts with 73 grams of HCl. 100 grams of CaCO3, 73 grams of HCl and forms 44 grams of CO2. 44 grams of CO2. So if you take 100 grams of CaCO3, 44 grams of CO2, 44 grams of CO2 will be formed. Suppose if you take 50 grams of CO2. So in this reactants, limiting agent is HCl. So here CO2 depends on only HCl, not on only CaCO3. So here CO2 depends on only on HCl, not on CaCO3. So we should take here HCl amount. So according to stoichiometry already given, 100 grams of CaCO3 reacts with 73 grams of HCl to liberate 44 grams of CO2. So I will give one simple trick. 73 grams of HCl gives 44 grams of CO2. Suppose here given only 7.3. So divided by 7.3 by X, we don't know. 73 grams of HCl gives 44 grams of CO2. If you take 7.3 grams of HCl, how much amount of CO2 will be formed? Here we are taking X. So after cross multiplication, so 73 by 7.3 as it is. Okay, one more. Here we will translate X only. X equal to 44 into 7.3 divided by 7. So written directly actually. So actually process is here. So if you follow this one, you will get 44 grams. 44 grams. So after completion this, in this 4.4 only, 4.4 grams. In this reaction, 44 grams of CO2 is formed. Here 4.4 grams. We know that 73 grams of HCl forms 44 grams of CO2. If you take only 7.3, in this only there, divided by 10, 4.4. So from this data, we should find out volume, how much volume occupied by this gas which having 4.4 grams, and from that molecules. So for that we will take this data. So 44 grams of 1 mole of CO2, 1 mole of CO2 weight to 44 grams. So 1 mole of CO2, 44 grams. At the same time 1 mole gas occupies 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters. So here 4.4 only there, downside 4.4. Here it occupies 2.24. Simply 44 grams of CO2 occupies 22.4 liters volume. 4.4 means 2.24 directly. So 44 grams of CO2 contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So 4.4 means 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 10. So 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 10 power minus 1. So minus 1 23. Bases same means powers will be added. If minus means subtracted. So 23 minus 1 22. So answer is 6.023. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 22 is answer. So 44 grams of CO2 occupies 22.4 liters. 4.4 grams means 2.24 liters. So you know 44 grams of CO2, 44 grams of CO2, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Suppose 4.4 means divide by 10. Here also divide by 10. You will get to this answer. So up to this chapter is here. So with this topic our chapter completed. In next class I will come to you with a new topic. So until keep practicing.